Today we'll go through the process of exporting our UI elements from Adobe XD into Android Studio. Not all UI elements will be exported. We'll be exporting the buttons and the background. Most of the other UI elements, we can code them in Android Studio. So for every screen, we'll mark for export all the items that will be exported. So we'll mark shop, edit, delete, cut, buttons, also our logo and our title, then our background, and also our shopping item background. This you can also design in Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. Then copy it to Adobe XD and export, mark for export. So just rename it. And then mark it for export. So you're just marking the items that will be exported. That's on main screen. Then at the new screen, we'll be exporting the buttons and also the background for the new item. So we just rename it, something we can easily reference from our Android Studio. Then we mark it for export. We go to the other screen, that is the edit screen. In the edit screen, you only pick the buttons. The main background will be exported in the main screen. Some of these buttons duplicate across, so we only export just one and use in the other screens. Under shop, still the buttons are repetitive and even the background. So the next step is now to export all of them. We go to file menu, export, then batch. This will export all the items we have selected, the items that are marked for export. So batch, then we select Android. We leave it PNG, then select Android. Then select the folder we are exporting to. So in my case, I will export into the app specific folder. Create a new folder, then give it a name. Then select that folder. Then click export. Wait for it to finish, depending on the items you have, the number of items you have selected. So if you open the folder that you selected, you should be able to see the specific Android specific exports, which you can then import into Android Studio in the next tutorial.